15. Kongen udgav mod videre ind ad havnen, så til skibene kunne fragte deres varer helt ind til byens nye centrum, simpelthen gangbåd ved Kongens Nytorv. Samtidig var tanken, at søens folk skulle have deres skraldpladser og boliger her i den nye havn. Ud af dette voksede et meget livligt kvarter, sømandsknejper og glædespil. Det gav området lagt ud frygteligt for mange år. Men i dag er Nyhavn en museumshavn for bevaringsværdige træskibe og fredet bygning. We're starting a tour here in Nyhavn, or the New Harbor in English. In 1671, King Christian IV ordered the building of a new harbor. King Christian V, wanted to expand the inner harbor of Copenhagen so that ships could bring their goods all the way to the city's new center, which at that time was located at Kongens Nytorv, or the King's New Square, where we started the tour. On a completely different note, this next bridge is the lowest on the whole tour, so please stay seated and mind your head. Det næste bro her er den så lavest på hele turen, så de venlige sider er skal gå ud. Commotion are the graduation parties of all the Danish high schools which are finished around this time. Anyway, where were we? Yes. The King Christian V, in addition to expanding the New Harbor, also wanted the sailors to have their houses and mooring places for their ships here by the new harbor. Because of all the sailors around, the harbor quickly became very lively with lots of pubs and taverns springing up, and even prostitution, giving the area quite a bad reputation among the Danes for many years. But today all that has changed. Nyhavn is a museum harbor for old ships and preserved buildings. Sommeren kan vi se Det Kongelige Teaters nye skuespillerhus, som stod færdig, eller som åbnede i februar 2008 med Shakespeares Hamlet. Bygningen er tegnet af Lundgaard og Tranberg arkitekter, og er et godt eksempel på, hvordan Københavns Havn altid starter fra at være en industrihavn til en kulturhavn. Here on our left-hand side, we see the new Royal Theatre, which opened in February 2008 with Shakespeare's play Hamlet. This building is designed by the architects Lundgaard and Tranberg, and is a good example of how Copenhagen Harbor is changing from being an industrial port to an important cultural center. venstre side kan vi se Københavns nye operahus, som blev færdigt i 2005. Operaen var en gave fra A.P. Mastermann, og er tegnet af den danske arkitekt Henning Larsen. Operaen består af 41.000 kvadratmeter, fordelt på 14 etager og 4.000 rum. Bygningen er beklædt i kalksten, og hovedaddetorets udskad er beklædt i kammertræ, formet som et stort hjerte og lakerer som stryger. Dette skal symbolisere kærligheden til musikken. On the left-hand side, we see Copenhagen Opera House, which was completed in 2005. The opera was a gift from the A.P. Mastermann Foundation to the Danish people, and is designed by the Danish architect Henning Larsen. It consists of 41,000 square meters of space, dispersed throughout 14 floors with about 1,000 rooms. The building is covered in limestone. The main auditorium is covered in maple leaf, formed like a giant heart and varnished like string instruments. This is supposed to symbolize love and music. garage her til på venstre hånd er del af det projekt, som København er i gang med at bygge en serie broer rundt omkring, og jeg tror, at den garage her er brugt til at banke nogle pæle ned i vandet. Right here on our left-hand side is part of the project to build a series of bridges around Copenhagen Harbor, and it's used to knock some big poles down into the water. Er det området, vi nu sejler ind i, eller halvdelen? Men det står 5 kunstige anlagte øer fra den ældste fra 1685. Området tilhører oprindeligt den danske flåde, men i dag kan vi finde nogle kulturelle institutioner.